Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson on how producers care for cattle in the cold. And now Paula's back with a recipe to share. Here's Taryn standing by now with more.
All right, thank you, John. It is the new year, and some of us may be looking for ways to have a healthier diet. And this is a popsicle we're going to show you today. I know it's cold outside, but hey, it's with yogurt, it's with blueberries, good stuff.
And you can always dip it in the granola if you want a little bit. It's pretty simple.
Okay.
I like simple. I could, you just take a cup and a half of yogurt and you put it in a Ziploc baggie.
Need help here?
Yeah, evidently.
There you go.
And well, I was trying to make it so it'd be nice and easy and not so messy this time.
Oh, okay.
That kind
You
of,
just kind of spoon it, scrape it in there.
yeah, just scrape it on in here. And then you add your blueberry preserves, and that can be any kind of preserves you like. If you aren't a blueberry fan, I like purple, so I like fun, bright colored food. My goal in life is just play with your food. And then you just kind of mix it together.
Squeeze it together, okay.
Yep. And then, now this is the part that you want to make sure you don't cut too big of a hole in the corner, because when you cut the hole, you squeeze it into here. And you just push it in.
Oh, do you need the sticks in there, or do you add this later?
Not, the sticks will be later. And just
Okay.
squeeze it into about 2/3 of the,
like that?
I got my hand in your way. There you go.
Oh, there we
And
go.
then just go into the next one, and it makes 6 of them. And the muffin tin works really good to help hold it in place. And then you just stick the whole thing in the freezer.
Wow, this is actually quite fun to do.
Yeah, I think, Christian will, now that I've played with it a couple times, I think Christian will like to try it. And I know Gloria will eat more of it than ends up in the tin or cups.
Yeah,
And then once you get them filled, and that's, yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll just set this over here, and you just stick your popsicles in the middle, and it'll sit there and freeze that way. In about 2 hours, then you'll have a popsicle pop.
Here you go. And you said put some granola on
Yeah,
it.
just some granola, and if it sits out for a little longer, it's easier to lick. But
This is fun. Great for kids after school, too.
it'd be great for like Christian does wrestling. Having this when he gets home from wrestling practice, gets that extra protein with the yogurt and the fruit, and just a fun way to.
Yeah, very refreshing, too.
Yes.
All right, Paula, thank you. This recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to copy it down, but it's very simple.
It is.
Yeah. All right, back to you, John.